151 people subscribe to AI with Zulfi. Today I show you why they subscribed, and why you should too. Welcome to AI with Zulfi. I am Zulfi. 30 years in telecom. 12 videos published. 151 subscribers and climbing. Today I want to be direct with you. If you are watching this and you have not subscribed yet, this video is for you. Let me tell you why people subscribe to this channel. First, they subscribe because I do not sell them. I teach them. Every video ends with actionable steps. Not a sales pitch. Not a upsell. Just clear, practical actions you can take today. People subscribe when they trust you are not trying to extract money from them. You are trying to help them. Second, they subscribe because I have skin in the game. 30 years in telecom. I lived through 3 technology waves. I am not a theorist guessing about AI. I am someone who has navigated disruption 3 times and survived. People subscribe when they know the person teaching them has actually done what they are teaching. Third, they subscribe because this channel answers the question everyone is asking in 2026, how do I survive AI? Not how do I get rich quick with AI. Not how do I become an AI engineer overnight. But how do I stay relevant? How do I earn more? How do I protect my career? These are real questions. This channel answers them. Fourth, they subscribe because I respect your time. My videos are not 30 minutes of rambling. They are 5 to 8 minutes of pure value. You watch one video and you know exactly what to do next. People subscribe when they know you will not waste their time. Fifth, they subscribe because I show both sides. I do not hide the truth about AI. Yes, AI is replacing some jobs. Yes, you need to adapt. But I also show that new opportunities are emerging faster than old ones disappear. Balanced truth builds trust. Trust builds subscribers. Sixth, they subscribe because the community is real. When you subscribe, you become part of a community of professionals building with AI. Not a faceless algorithm. Real people solving real problems together. People subscribe for belonging. Now let me tell you what happens when you subscribe. First, you get early access to new videos. Every Sunday at 9 AM, new content. You will be the first to know about trends before they hit mainstream. Second, you get to see the full video journey. From concept to execution. You understand my thinking, not just the final output. Third, you become part of the decision on what we cover next. Comment on videos. Tell me what you want to learn. I read every comment. Here is my promise to you. When you subscribe, I promise to keep teaching. I promise to stay honest. I promise to never waste your time. I promise to show you exactly how to navigate AI in 2026 without panic and without hype. So if you have watched this far, you already know this channel is different. You already know the content is practical. You already know I am not selling you. The only question is, will you subscribe? Hit the subscribe button right now. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Join the 151 professionals building with AI in 2026. I am Zulfi. 30 years in tech. I make one promise, I will help you stay relevant when everything is changing. See you in the next one.